Like, if you know that man is coming to your door with that 5-foot check to present it to you because you won the Publishers Clearinghouse sweepstakes, and you're at home in your bonnet and you don't want to be in professional photos in your bonnet, you could throw it on and look presentable. Hey sugar, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm the Black Magnolia, your favorite bougie babe, bringing you all your bougie but budget-friendly tips and faves, and a little bit of everything in between. All of the wig girlies are out here talking about this Outre Melted Hairline Mandisa wig. I don't know how I feel about these bangs, but I love a good bang.
Not the banging, the banging.
I do. However, I feel like I need more volume. Look, I was in my 20s in the 90s and we wore our hair big and loud. I feel like flat doesn't work with my face shape, but we're gonna try this wig out. This is the Outre Melted Hairline Lace Front Wig in color number 2. It is Mandisa, it is 24 inches. And I loved the way the curls, they were giving me Farrah Fawcett vibes. So I wanted to give it a try and see if it would work out. This is what we're working with here. I'm sort of hoping, and okay, so why I usually buy bang wigs is because you don't have to cut anything. But on this one, there's cutting to do, and I'm not pleased. But we're gonna see how much cutting has to be done. But let's check it out. The curls are as pretty as I thought they were going to be. Oh my god. The X Games mode though. Okay, so here we have it. Look at that. Oh, that is nice. This is all you. Oh my god. This is very nice. I like this. I can see why the girls were here for this. It's a little shiny. So I'm gonna do my little wig trick and spray it with some dark colored dry shampoo because this is too shiny for me. I know likey. I'll be back. Okay, she back. What I love is the Batiste dry hair shampoo. It's great, and I use the one for dark hair because that white cast is a pain to try to get out, so we don't want to do that at all. High techs, heat safe up to 400 degrees. Look at me reading without my glasses on. It's a Christmas miracle. It's the new year. It's not Christmas anymore. So before I spray and get all of this like shiny goodness out of the way here, because it looks super like plastic in here like this, I'm going to show you the cap construction. So here is the unit. 5-inch deep parting space, completely pre-plucked hairline and sideburns. Redesign comfort fit ear contour. That I'm here for. Here are all the ways that they're saying you can wear this hair. I don't know why they I guess because then you can pull the hair back if you want to. I don't know why they put lace on the front of a wig with bangs, but they did. So, like I said, here is the wig, here's the lace. I'm probably not gonna ever pull it back like this. Very light lace. It is not, it's not crinkly, it's not gonna itch. Back in the day, lace used to like sit on your skin and I would almost break out in a rash. It made me itch so bad. Comment down below if you remember that lace, because it's not good. It is the opposite of good. It is ungood. Here is the elastic band with the adjustable strap, and then it's got one long comb in the back like that with the adjustable, I call these little bra straps because they are like little bra straps. It's got those, and yes, there are 2 combs on the sides. Let's just try this bad boy on before we do anything to it and see what it's got going on. Oh, my hair is gonna look crazy when I take this off. Okay, so, well, okay, so this is what it's looking like. I'm not actually super mad at it. What I am gonna do while I have it on is I am gonna spray my dry shampoo on it so you can kind of see how it's looking right now. This is brown dry shampoo. So if you're wearing white or anything light colored, don't do that because it's brown dry shampoo. Okay, let's keep going. Real hair in the real world is not this shiny. Lord. So you can kind of see a little bit of the difference. I don't know if you really can tell, but it didn't hit this part right here. I feel like you can tell better in person when you do this. I do have a lot of like lighting and things on this right now, so it's gonna look shiny anyway, but I got these really cute hair clips on Amazon years ago. I don't even know if they make them anymore, but I absolutely love them. Also, I'm confused as to why you would have baby hairs on a wig with bangs. I mean, I get that some people might try to wear it with the bangs pulled back, but why not just get a wig without bangs to do that? Who knows? And can you see, like, my hair is starting to get a little tiny bit gray. I don't know how I feel about that. I did talk to my stylist and I told her that I was noticing more grays, and she said to me, would you like us to fix that? To which I replied, maybe, absolutely. I think I want to go in with a big comb first on this one instead of brushing it out, because I don't want to lose the curl pattern, just want to loosen it up a little bit. So I'm just gonna take my little ponytail out and like just smooth my hair down again, just a little bit. All right, now let's see how this would be looking. Okay, all right, on we go. Oh good, my lighting just went off. Son of a biscuit. Well, whatever lighting you got in the video now is what you got in the video now, okay? So, all right. I'm gonna use this big comb so we can loosen the curls, not lose the curls. My Batiste dry shampoo is doing what it do really well. Okay, well. What do we think? I think it's cute. I don't love it on me, but I don't hate it either. I gotta, I think, play with it. I am not your girl who's gonna do all of like the things. I'm probably not gonna, well, I mean, later I might, but I'm not gonna flat iron it. I'm not gonna do those things to it because I wanna see what a wig is gonna do out of the pack. Just like if you're in a hurry, like if you know that man is coming to your door with that 5-foot check to present it to you because you won the Publishers Clearinghouse sweepstakes, and you're at home in your bonnet and you don't want to be in professional photos in your bonnet, you could throw it on and look presentable. That's what I want my wig to look like. And I am noticing I did leave a lot of lace under here. Again, not a professional. So I will have to play with that a little bit. And I think I feel like I'm gonna like this in the half up, half down not the like flat. I don't like it just flat. I don't like it just down. It is pretty hair. I do like the texture. I think the curl pattern is very lovely. I like it for what it is, but I don't love, I mean, I think there is some good volume in here, but I feel like, I don't know. Let me know what you think, because I don't know how I feel about it. Let me know what you think of the unit. I'm gonna try, maybe let's try putting it half up, half down like it did in the, like it was on the stock card. I think that could be cute. I think they leave enough hair for you on the sides to be able to do that with this one, because some wigs, it is a travesty. And you put that mess half up, half down, and you look ridiculous. Is this cute little gold clippy? Yeah, let's do that. That's cute. Let's see here. Okay, I can live with this. I can work with this. I can work with this. I think there's a little gnat in my space. Okay, so I'm gonna say I like this unit this way. I don't know what it looks like in the back. I don't know if I did it right. I don't know if it looks cute or what. But yeah, it is 24 inches. I'm 5'8". It goes about, the longest piece goes to like the bottom of my chest area here. I think it's cute. I like this style with it. I do love a good nasty half up, half down though. I always have. And I feel like this kind of gives me that. I don't like it down, but I do like it like this. And I think that if you wanted to like play with the bangs and do some stuff, you could. You definitely could, but I like this for this look. Let me know down in the comments what you think. I am not mad at it, but I don't know. I don't know that I was on the fence about buying this unit in the first place, just because I didn't know how I would feel about it. If it's not bombshell, I need more volume. That bombshell wig has me in the nastiest chokehold. It really does, and I love it to bits and pieces. And I keep buying it over and over and over again. That's okay though, that's neither here nor there. That is not what this video is about. This video is about Mandisa and her lace front melted hairline, which I don't think it needed lace in the front, but thank you, Outre. I'm not mad. I'm not mad at all. It's a cute unit. I love being able to wear it like this. I love that they give you enough hair to be able to wear it like this and not have it look crazy like you're wearing some like crazy costume wig. It looks good. The texture is nice. It's like a light yaki. Perfection. I'm down for it. I love it. And if you've made it this far with me, sugar, make sure you head down to that like button, click it, slide on over to the subscribe button, click that, turn on your notification bell, and then you will never, ever, 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 ever miss an upload that I do around here. Because I have said in my videos before, I don't typically buy human hair wigs. Every once in a while, if you saw the video that I did a couple weeks ago, I did buy a few human hair wigs. And I got one really terrible one and two that I really got to work on that I'm still trying to work on. I think I am just going to go to my stylist and have her help me with those because they're looking crazy and I don't know what to do with them. And I know she will because she is the wig wizard. She is a freaking magician when it comes to all kinds of hair. So I think I may have her help me. But if you like this kind of content where we are bougie but budget friendly and you want to be BFFs here on the internet, let's do it. Come back around and I will see you in the next video.